Did you know someone can vanish in just 8 seconds on a monitored college campus? At 2:15 in the morning, a James Madison University student walked down a well-lit campus walkway. She passed the first security camera heading toward her dorm. 30 feet ahead, a second camera waited to capture her approach. But she never made it. 8 seconds. That's all the time between cameras. Yet somehow she disappeared completely. Her phone's GPS stopped pinging at the exact spot between the two cameras. Campus police found no exits, no hiding spots, nothing in that short corridor. They reviewed hundreds of hours of footage from every possible angle. Her keycard was never used again. Her car sat untouched in the parking lot. Minutes before vanishing, she had sent her final text message. What investigators discovered next made everything worse. She had been receiving threatening messages from an unknown number. The final threat arrived just 12 minutes before she walked into the 30-foot gap and disappeared forever. How does someone vanish in 8 seconds between two cameras with no way out?